Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can access or open hidden apps in Realme phone. So while hiding your apps, you set the dial-up code that you can use in order to open the list of hidden apps. So in order to access those hidden apps, just dial in the said code. In my case, that's -1234-, and as you can see, this list gets opened. You can also go into settings, then enter the privacy category. In here, go for the hide apps, enter your privacy password, and in here at the hidden tab, you can also see what apps are hidden. Therefore, you can, well, this way, access them. If you forgot your access code, this dial-up code that I've entered at the phone app, but still remember the privacy password, so you can enter the hidden apps menu over here. You can change the said access dial code by tapping at the gear icon over here at the top right corner of your display, then go for the change access code, then enter an access code that you would like to use from now on, save it, and now you can, well, very easily access the hidden apps or open the list of hidden apps. So make sure not to forget the access code this time as well. But as we've just seen, it is not a hassle. It is not difficult to change it or reset this access code. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.